Now we will see how to print hello world in this terminal. As you know, as you all know that we need to say print, we need to open the braces. After that, within the double quotes we need to say hello RVCE or hello world, and even you can type even whatever you want. Now we will see how to install IDLE in Ubuntu operating system 20.04. As I told in the previous video session, whenever you install Python software for your Windows operating system, by default you have IDLE, but not for the Ubuntu operating system or Linux based operating system. So if you want to install IDLE for Ubuntu or Linux based operating system, you need to install manually. So in order to install Python IDLE for Ubuntu 20.04, you need to type this following two commands. So what this command will do? This command will go into update the latest packages for your operating system. Anyway, right now we have already installed, we have used this command very shortly, means for installing the latest version of Python for our software. There is no need to type, but if you want you can do. So I am going to give the password of my system. So it will download the latest packages for my operating system through the internet. Next, what we need to do is, next we need to copy this command, means we need to type this command. We need to install the IDLE Python 3.8. So if you want IDLE version let me clear the screen first. If you want the version Python IDLE version 3.6, you need to say 3.6. If you want to want the version 3.7, IDLE version 3.7, you need to say 3.7. Right now the latest version is 3.8, so I am going to use 3.8. So what will happen? This will install the later IDLE version 3.8 for our operating system. Right now I am getting this message because I have already installed this software. So whenever you run this command for the first time, usually it will take few seconds for few seconds. After that, it is going to install. Once after running this command, it is going to install the Python IDLE for our operating system, Linux based operating system. Now we will check whether we have Python IDLE or not in our operating system. So in order to check in order to choose Python IDLE, you need to go for the search option, and you can see we have Python IDLE. Okay, right now I have installed it for 2 times, means I have installed one for 3.82, another for another version. Right now you can see here, as soon as I click, this going to open the version 3.8.2. So you will get this kind of window, and this window, as we know that this is one of the shell window. With the help of this shell window, we can type the Python programs as we have did in previous video session, that is when we tried with the Windows operating system, right. So whatever you can do in Windows operating system with the same IDLE, you can do the same thing in this IDLE in Linux based operating system. So I will say hello RVCE. So in this way you can execute all the statements. We know that how to run the Python statements. So in the upcoming videos, we'll be doing more little bit more complicated programs, and we'll be using either Python IDLE or there is some more Python IDE is there, something called Spryder and as well as Notebook. So I'm going to teach all the 3 things, so you will have the flexibility in order to use all the 3 IDLE in upcoming sessions. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.